Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. And ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 27 to June 2, 2024. Okay, let's see what's coming to you, Capricorn. What is your overall energy for this week? The Queen of Swords. Oy, you are setting boundaries. Palaban ka. Hindi mo hahayaan na ma-take advantage ka ng iba, or you may be cutting off connections. Oo. Na sa tingin mo, these people don't deserve your attention. Hindi nila deserve ang iyong care, ang iyong tulong, ganun. Let's see your challenge. What is your challenge? You have the Knave of Coins. Some of you, maaring challenging sa inyo yung pag-aaral or pagre-research or mga training, mga kailangan nyong matutunan pa, let's say sa career nyo, or yung mga bagay na gusto nyong malaman. Kasi minsan, no, nagiging interesado tayo sa isang bagay, sa trabaho, career, or business, or project, pero yung proseso ng pag-aaral, yun yung hate natin, 'di ba? Or yung mga tipong na-challenge tayo dahil maaring it's taking our time so much, or masyado kang busy, hindi mo maisingit sa schedule mo. Let's see your opportunity. What is your opportunity this week? You have the King of Coins. You have the opportunity to be in control of your career, your finances. Pwede rin meron kang opportunity to talk to your boss, no? To discuss yung mga observation mo sa trabaho, or kung meron kang issue with your boss, like gusto mong increasean ka ng sweldo, I think magiging open ka ngayon sa mga naiisip mo related sa trabaho mo. Let's see your blessing. Two of Wands. Maaring you will be blessed with two sources of income or dalawang inspiration. Like inspiration sa love, inspiration sa career. Let's see, what is the Queen of Swords? The Knave of Cups. Okay. Knave of Cups, energy ng child, bata, no? Maaring kung meron ka ng anak, maaring meron kang hindi ito tolerate na anak, lalo na kung meron tong pagkakamali, no? But at the same time, if itong anak mo na to magsisay ng sorry sa'yo, hihingi ng tawad, I think you will be open to your child, no? Na ayusin ano man yung naging problema ninyo. Okay? Lalo na kung totoo naman yung kanyang pagre-reach out at paghingi ng tawad, no? What is the Knave of Coins as your challenge? You have the Hierophant. Yeah, I think kailangan nyo ng mentor na nakaka-resonate talaga kayo, or yung paraan ng pagtuturo niya is same sa learning abilities mo, no? Kasi yung iba't iba tayo ng pamamaraan para matuto. Yung iba visual learner, yung iba audio learner, may ganun ba? Yung parang yung iba natututo kapag nakikita nila, yung iba pag binabasa nila, yung iba kapag naririnig nila, yung iba naman kinesthetic, I think, yung na-experience nila. So, kung challenging sa'yo na mapag-aralan or matutunan ng isang bagay, kailangan ang iyong teacher or trainer or coach ay in alignment dun sa pamamaraan mo para matuto. Humanap ka ng ganong klaseng coach. Let's see, what is the King of Coins? You have the Wheel of Fortune. Uy, merong major change in your finances. I feel like parang may i-award. Capricorn, may i-award sa inyo, either rewards or award na recognition or pera. Oo. Things are going to change for the better when it comes to your career, business, or finances. What is the Two of Wands? The Death card, uy, blessing sa inyo ang transformation, major change. Kung meron kang ile-let go sa ngayon na trabaho, business, career, relationships, connections, na sa tingin mo hindi na siya helpful sa iyong pag-unlad, you will be blessed with a new opportunity. Okay? As long as willing ka na mag-let go ng old. Kasi letting go of the old and embracing the new. Let's see, money, career, finances, energies for you, Capricorn. Oops. Money, career, finances for Capricorn. Okay. The Tower. Oh, major change. Maaring kung ano yung structure sa ngayon, yung parang nakagawian mo na, magbabago na siya. Oo, parang magbabago siya for something new. You have the Son of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. I feel like you're going to be very busy in reconstructing your career to your liking. So, ibig sabihin is, kung hindi ka masaya sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng paraan na baguhin yan. Okay? At i-direct mo yung sarili mo sa trabaho, career, or business na kung saan yun yung gusto mong gawin. Yun yung in alignment of your abilities, yung talents mo, yung skill set mo. Let's see your love life. Love life. The Emperor. The Magician. I feel like you are in a relationship right now na you feel na you have full control of, no? Whether you are in a relationship or not, it seems na you are in control of your love life. So, kung may karelasyon ka ngayon, it seems na ikaw yung head of the family, ikaw yung, kumbaga, ikaw yung nag-handle ng relationship, ikaw yung humahawak sa relasyon ninyo, ikaw yung leader ng relationship ninyo. And I think you have a lot of plans para sa relationship mo. Mas seryoso ka ngayon. Or even your partner as well, no? Pwedeng you are dealing with a Taurus or a Libra or a Gemini or a Virgo or a Sagittarius. And I also see leadership sa relationship na ibig sabihin, you are also helping your partner para maging successful kayo together for your future. Parang ikaw rin yung nagiging mentor or coach ng person mo to, build a better foundation for your relationship. But if you're single, I think you're going to be more open sa connections with other people. Lalo na kung magpo-focus ka rin sa sarili mo na meron kang mga i-improve sa sarili mo. Practicing self-care, self-love, taking care of yourself, may babaguhin ka sa yung styling, the way you carry yourself, pwedeng sa physical appearance, at dahil doon mas magiging confident ka, no? Na to go out with people, to mingle, to meet new friends. So, I think ngayon, you are owning your own self, no? Kumbaga, you are fully in control of your life. At hindi mo hayaan na may ibang taong mag-control sa buhay mo, kundi ikaw. Okay? Let's see what else. For Capricorn. Inner child. You are healing your inner child. Maaring may mga activities kang gagawin ngayon na tutulong sa'yo para, ma-fulfill yung mga dreams, yung mga gusto mong gawin ng bata ka. Gratitude. You will practice gratitude. Ibig sabihin yan, masaya ka, thankful ka sa mga blessings na matatanggap mo ngayong week na to. And syempre, kapag ikaw ay grateful for the blessings, the more na binibless ka ng universe. Okay? Wow, speaking of blessings, second house. The sun in Taurus in the second house, acquisition. So, maaring meron ka mga properties na mabibili, mga possessions kasi to, let's say, computer, gamit sa bahay, no? Mabibili ka ngayong week na to, or even house and lot, no? Who knows? It seems na you are also focused on taking care of your finances. Mas lalo mong pinapatatag ang iyong income. You have the sun in Cancer in the 4th house, resourcefulness. You are using your resources wisely, no? Yung mga talento mo, yung skills mo, yung mga gamit mo, ginagamit mo for improvement. Let's say meron kang computer, meron kang cellphone, gagamitin mo yan to earn money, 'di ba? Marami ng paraan ngayon para kumita ng pera sa pamamagitan ng cellphone, laptop, at kung ano pang gamit mo sa bahay. Okay? Universe, we're all just stardust. Yes. So this is about humility, no? Pagiging humble despite of your success. Dahil syempre, lahat naman yan ng blessings natin galing sa universe, galing kay God, galing sa source. So it's always best rin na to be grounded, na ma-realize natin na teka, tayo ay mga alikabok lang dito sa vast universe, na hindi naman natin kailangan maging sobrang taas ng tingin sa sarili natin. We can be proud of ourselves sa mga na-achieve natin, but of course, importante pa rin na makatao, no, at humble. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.